So hello children, we move on to part 4 of our lesson on similarity, and here also we are going to do two more ICSE unsolved question from ML Agrawal's book, exercise 13.3, and at the end of the lesson I'll tell you which year solved questions are there and which unsolved question you should do to practice. So here we start. ABC is a triangle, if you see, and these two angles are given equal, children. Triangle angle ABC is equal to angle DAC. So if you see this two triangle and sides are given, I'll come to that in the second part of the question. So first we have to prove that triangle ACD. So let us see how we do, children. Part 1, in triangle ACD, small triangle first, this triangle ACD, you can draw a separate figure, children, to understand it better. ACD, okay, and in triangle next BCA, so full triangle, this bigger one, okay, BCA, and this two triangle, what is given, children? This is equal to this, and you see this angle is common to both, children. So two angle of this triangle is equal to two angle of that big triangle. Okay, this is equal to this and this is equal to this. So here if you see these two are equal and this is common to both. This is common to this triangle, what we call ACD, and it is also common to triangle BCA, this triangle. So in triangle ACD, and so this is how we used to write in congruency also. We are talking about this triangle and this, the small to big triangle use. What is given, children? So first thing is given as angle ABC is equal to angle DAC. So these two are equal. So this is given. So second thing, if you see what is common there, if you see angle ACD, so ACD here you see, and here we have, so you see this angle B, so single line, double line, this. So remember, this is third angle, this is how we represent third angle of this is equal to third angle of this big triangle, this full angle. This full angle is the third angle. So if you call it asterisk here in this angle, okay, so this is the corresponding side, because see this is equal to this, this is common, then the third angle of this triangle, okay, is equal to this angle. Anyway, let us see here. We have the second angle ACD, so same here, single double asterisk, so here single double asterisk BCA, okay, similar, so same order you follow, children. Okay, so once more, ACD of this, we could have called angle C. Sometimes I see many children, angle C is equal to angle C. No problem. In this triangle, there is only one angle here. Unlike here where we have two angles, in fact 3 angles, 1, 2 and whole. So you could have written like this, but better we write this, single double ACD is equal to BCA. So both the triangle ACD, first part we do, is similar to triangle BCA by a rule of similarity postulate. First part we have done. Now children, see second part, we have to find BC. So it's very important how we solve for BC and CD. So see here what we do in this two similar triangles. See, first there will be 3 pair. Okay, so let us write down the value now. Okay, so if you see the value, you see what is given. AB is 8. See, AB is 8. So in this diagram I can write AB is 8. Okay, AC is 4. AC is 4. See, remember children, AC is common. AC is 4 and AD is 5. AD is 5. So this is given. So with this idea, we have to find BC. So let us see all the three pair and see how we do. This is the best way when you have to find two unknown sides, and they are from, I think, smaller triangle BC. So see here, BC here I have in the big triangle, BC we have in the big triangle, and CD is in the small triangle. So once they are similar, children, let us see the corresponding side. Let us start with what is given over here. This angle is equal to this angle. So what is opposite to this angle, children? Opposite to this angle is your side CD. Okay, so CD we have to find CD. So this is part 2, CD. CD of this triangle is proportional to, so opposite to single line angle, this is CD. So opposite to here, big single line it is. So remember, this is asterisk. Okay, single line, we have AC. Okay, then next in this triangle we have done CD. Next opposite to this common angle is AD. AD by this common angle here, AB. So corresponding to AD here, opposite to common angle here, opposite to common angle is AB. And last one, children, CD, AD we have done. CD and AD we have done. Last one is AC of this triangle. You see is actually opposite to which equal angle? This asterisk one. So opposite to asterisk one here is BC, children. So let us substitute and see. We have to get CD definitely. We don't know. AC is given as 4 centimeter. AD, children, if you see, is given as 5 centimeter. AB, if you see, is given 8 centimeter. AC is given 4 centimeter. Okay, and BC is we have to find also. So C2 thing automatically came where we have to find. So kindly pause the video and copy. I'll rub the right side part and get the final answer for CD and BC. So let us solve for CD and BC. So CD, so see this two pair we will take. The three things, these two will give us CD and these two will give us second and third term. So we got all three. So this first we will solve to get CD, then second part. So see here, CD is equal to 4 goes up, 4 into 5 by 8 centimeter. So children, we get 2.5 centimeter. So this is your 2.5 centimeter. Next, what we do, children? We, for solving BC, so see three pair of side, how nicely we got. Okay, so two triangle from small to big, corresponding sides we take. So in the very part 1 of my video lesson, I taught you the how we get corresponding angles and corresponding side. Corresponding sides are opposite to equal angles. Okay, so next part here we see 5 by 8. 5 by 8 is 4 by BC. So what do we get, children? BC is 8 into 4, 8 into 4 by 5. So this is 32 by 5. So if you do it to the 32 by 5 is 6.4 centimeter. So we got BC also. This is 6.4 centimeter and this was 2.5 centimeter. So all the proportional sides we have got. In the last part, so copy. In the last part we will get the ratio of the area. So pause the video and copy, then we do the third and last part of this question. So last part, children, I am showing you there only because this has a relevance. I taught you in part 1, area of ACD. Area is proportional ACD. So ACD, you see this particular relationship AD, okay, AD square, in this triangle AD square is proportional to, you see, both the value AB square. Okay, once more, see, when you want to find the ratio of area, we take the square of the side, known square of side. So this we have found out. Okay, and they are in decimal. So you could have taken this ratio also. Okay, like that I have written. You could have, we got the answer CD. So same answer you will get. CD is 2.5 by 4, 5 by 8, or this is 4 by 6.4. You could have taken any, but I take the main where the values are given. So once more, area of this two triangle, this triangle is 2 whole, this triangle is 2 whole, is side square, any one side square of this and corresponding side square of this. So for 5 centimeters, see here, opposite to this is 5 centimeter, then opposite to this common angle is 8 centimeter. So AD and AB are proportional. AD and AB, because they are opposite to equal angle. In small triangle AD and in big triangle AB, they are proportional side. So see their square. So AD is given as, children, 5 square and AB is your 8 square. They are corresponding side opposite to equal angle. So ratio of the areas, since it is given. So this was part 2 of the question, children, and this is part 3. So this is part 3 of the question where we have solved here. So you can take here. So ratio of area is ratio of their side square. So I have taken known side square. Otherwise here you could have done 2.5 square by 4 square also. Here this one also you could have taken this as 4 by 6.4 square by 6.4 square also. Okay, so I have taken the known one. So opposite to this is this. AD square is proportional to opposite to this, and big triangle is AB square. So answer is 25 by 64. Let us go to the last question of this session, and then at the end I'll tell you which solved and which unsolved example you must do to learn it perfectly. So kindly pause and copy the lesson. Let us see the very last question of this session. So you see, compared to other year which you have done in part 2 and part 3, this particular part 4, 2013 and 14, they are comparatively easier, especially the last part. So on the whole, if you see nicely, the pattern is very much similar, except the last part is little more difficult in 2017, 18, 19. So first one, we have to prove these two triangles. So you can draw them separately, children. We have to prove this is the small triangle DEF. So this is given as perpendicular. D is perpendicular to BC, AB and DE perpendicular. So big triangle, you can see the full thing, children. So this is the big triangle. We have ABC. We have to prove them. So like congruency, you take out small one and take out the big one. Okay, now let us see how we prove similarity. Number 1, prove that. So in triangle ABC, the big one, and triangle, so we always tell which triangle we are talking about, DAC. So what is given, children? Angle ABC is perpendicular to AB is what is given question. If you see properly, AB and DE are perpendicular to BC. So what did I write? AB is perpendicular to BC and DE is perpendicular to BC. So angle ABE is equal to angle DE in this DEC. ABC in big triangle is equal to angle DEC, and both of them are equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? Since AB and DE, you can write, this is what is given in the question. See the question number 8 of ML Agrawal's book, exercise 13.3. AD, AB and DE are perpendicular to, this is short form of perpendicular to BC. And next is a common angle, children. See, this is a common angle. Okay, so always with asterisk, I show the third angle. So third angle I'll show by asterisk. Generally you see my pattern is to show this angle by a single or a double line. So this angle is common to both, in small triangle also and big triangle also. So angle A, we are going from, children, big to small triangle. So angle ACB in big triangle is equal to DCE. Okay, angle DCE. I told you some children and some teacher directly they say angle C is equal to angle C. So common angle. So no problem with that because we have one angle each. Okay, they are C only. So common angle. So more important thing is to write common angle. So both the triangles are similar. ABC is similar to triangle DEC by AA axioms. Okay, AA rule axioms we say. Okay, so both we have proved to be similar. So copy, pause the video and copy, and then we move on to solve for CD. So let us see how we solve for CD. So generally what I do, children, okay, see here I can do CD where it is, see in this triangle, CD is opposite to 90 degree in small triangle. Okay, so what is opposite to 90 degree in big triangle? They are corresponding. Is your AC. Okay, so now let us see first what is given. AB is 6. So you have to see this is 6 centimeter, DE is 4 centimeter, and AC we have 15 centimeter. So now see this, I have got CD. We have to find this triangle is corresponding to AC. Now see these two things are given in this triangle. So I will not take these two sides ratio. They are not known. So what I do in small triangle, if you see, children, so first I got, remember, opposite to CD is opposite to 90 degrees. So opposite to 90 degree in this triangle is CD, and opposite to 90 degree in this triangle is AC. So we get CD and AC is 15. CD we have to find, and here it is 18. Now we take two known side. Okay, when we have to solve. So here you see DE. DE is opposite to common angle. So DE is opposite to common angle. You take opposite to common angle is AB. So opposite to this common angle is DE, and opposite to this common angle is AB. Both are known. 4 by 6. So finally, children, we get CD is 4 by 6 into 15. 5, 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 2 2s are, 4. So CD is 10 centimeter. So very simply you can do orally also. See, this is 4 is to 6. So this will be 10 is to 15. So see, small to big, children, it is 2 is to 3. Sides are in the ratio 2, 3, 4, 6. 2 is to 3, 10 is to 15. And final question you can do mentally also. Area of ABC, I have told you area of ABC. What is known? See this, area of ABC by DEC. Okay, so in other question, if see in 17 and 19 and all, 18 you see, 17 I have not done, it is solved in the book. You will see there is trapeze, your quadrilateral over here. So this part solving is little hard in part 2 of the video. What I have done, you can see. So area of ABC, what I am trying to tell you, what I know in area of ABC. See, this is known AB square. I know area of two triangle are in ratio of their side square. So this is opposite to this common angle and this. So we should know the same corresponding side. So AB here corresponds to DE there. Okay, so DE square. So AB, children, is 6 square by DE is 4 square. Once more we have to find area of this is to area of this. Area of this to this is side square of this corresponding to side square of this. Both we do side square of this upon side square of this, which are corresponding. So here you see we get 6 opposite to common angle, and we get here 4. So 6 square, or otherwise you could have done here we have 15, and you know we got CD as 10. So you could have taken 15 square by 10 square, same answer you will get, children, 3 by 2 ratio. So here what we do, I take out your square common. So this is 3 by 2. So this is 9 is to 4. 9 by 4, which is equal to 9 is to, sometime they ask in ratio, children. So sometime they ask in ratio. So area of this is to this is 9 is to 4. Okay, because this is in the 3 is to 2 ratio side, 3 is to 2 ratio side, square it. 9 is to 4 is your answer. So kindly pause the video and copy. Then at the end, I am going to tell you what you have to practice. So finally, children, I have done 4 video lesson for you, starting with part 1 concept, full 34-minute video. Then I did in part 2 3 4 2 2 sum. So 6 very nice ICSE sum I have done for you. You see them and do again. I told you except 1 year, all the questions are in the book. Okay, so I think 2016 is not there in most of the book. So here is what you should do to gain perfection in this topic. There are 4 solved example in ML Agrawal's book, exercise 13.3. 2017 is solved. That's why I have not done 2017. You see, I did most of the question up to 2013 from 2019, because 2020 I said maps and models are out, so I have not done those questions. So 2017 is solved example 11, 2011 is solved example 12, 2010 question is solved example 10, 2009 in 9. So please do them without seeing, children. Please try and then check your answer, how to write, whether your answer is right or not, and the pattern of writing. And the last one unsolved. So you have got 4 unsolved questions from ICSE. 2008 is question 11 in the book, exercise 13.3 of ML Agrawal's book. Same way 2007 is question 9, 6 is question 5A, and 2004 question is there in question 7 of exercise 13.3. Please do them, children. Please do them, or if you have any other book, do the ICSE questions. They will give you a better practice, because some questions, I told you, this is a very vast topic. Lot of extra thing is given. Okay, so you try to do them later on. So what I have done in my 4 videos, you please do them properly from video 1 to video 4, and please do this 4 solved and 4 unsolved example. And I hope this will give you enough grounding, enough base to do any questions which will come in your school exam or ICSE. Thank you, children, for watching this sessions on similarity from part 1 to part 4. Thank you, children.